to TigerCub Story. We have a story about a monkey and a shop. Unicorn, where are we going to? We are going to a shop. You take me to the market.
Okay, monkey. I think we're there now.
Bye, Unicorn.
Bye, monkey.
Bye, Unicorn. See you soon and to pick me. Now we set up my things. So let me close the box. I'm setting up a cup on a plate and an apple and a bowl and a plate. Hi, who is there? Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. I'm in a hurry. Can you give me some apple? Yeah. Thank you, monkey. Have a nice day, Barbie. Bye, monkey. Thank you. Bye, Barbie. Have a nice day. I wonder who is coming next. Hi, dog. Hi, monkey. Please, can I have a cup of tea? Yeah. Thank you. So, bye, monkey. Bye, dog. Have a nice day. I wonder who is coming next. Unicorn. So, let me pack up my things and go back.
Did you have a nice day today?
Yeah. Barbie got an apple and the dog got a cup and plate. So bye everyone. See you soon. Watch more videos. Please subscribe to my phone. To watch more videos, please subscribe to my channel. And remember, Jesus loves you.